everyone thinks that AI is expensive. And we have a very broad notion of what AI is, and most of it is about open AI. It's taking a lot of GPUs and making a lot of turns of the wheels to kind of get you the outcome. But AI is all not expensive, and not everything needs to be solved by AI when you have an AI-based solution in your enterprise. So you could have this, if you have an orchestrator that knows that here I just have to do a search, or here I just have to query their data, here I have to go and do an LLM, and here I have, so everything, it has its purpose, and we need to not like I love analogies. So you don't have to bring a plane and park it in your garage just because you can, bring a plane and park it in your garage. If you want to, there are times that you need a cycle, and there are times that you need a plane, and you just gotta drive that right vehicle when you need it. And to me, LLMs and those things which cost you a lot more will be those planes that you want to fly when you need them. But then you can do very well with other things in there. You need to think about what that is, and that all comes from governance. That all comes from thoughtfulness, and that is what we need to kind of. When I talk to customers, I talk to them about this thoughtfulness and setting up the framework now before you jump in before you know it, you'll flood your enterprise with applications that are doing exactly opposite of what you want it to be doing at the